In this video, we are going to understand what is opportunity cost. It is a cost one has to bear by choosing one alternative from the given two or more alternatives and forego the other one. It is, in simple term, it is a comparison between the choices which we have rejected and the choices which we have accepted. At certain point, even we have come across a situation we have to choose between two best alternatives and we have to forego the one which is the best one. So let's just elaborate this definition with an example now. Here, a graduate student he has just graduated, and now he has these two opportunities which has came across him. First is he has got the opportunity to study in prestigious university to continue his master's degree, and the other one is a job opportunity he has got from an MNC. Now he has to choose between these two alternatives. Surely these two alternatives are the best one for his career growth. So, but he has to choose between these two. It means he has to choose one and let go the other one. Therefore, he choose to and if he choose to go to the university to continue his master's degree, then he has to let go the well-paying job in an MNC. So in this whole example, in this whole scenario, the job opportunity or the job is an opportunity cost of the university. That means if he goes to the university, he won't get that well-paying job. He has to let go that. So it is an opportunity cost. And if in the other way around, we can understand, if he chooses then MNC to go to the MNC and do the job and let go this master's degree application, then it would be the university is an opportunity cost of an MNC. So, but here he choose to go to the university. That's the reason. Here the job is an opportunity cost of the university. It means the choices that he has made and the choices he has rejected. The comparison. It is the comparison between the two alternatives which we have or which we are given. Also, the opportunity cost can also be used while making the investment decisions. For example, if you are about to make an investment, you will see the portfolio of the company and everything, and then you make a calculation for how much return the company will give, which company will give the more profitable, and what kind of dividend it would be, etc. So opportunity cost can be used in decision making, like return on most profitable investment choice minus the return on investment chosen to pursue. This is the one which you have chosen as your investment minus the most profitable investment choice according to your agent or according to any of the rating agencies listing. They have chosen some of the most profitable investment here minus your choice of return, on investment. So opportunity cost is just you have to let go something to get more of the other opportunity or more of the other thing. Moving forward to the next topic, that is trade-off. So there are most of the similarities between opportunity cost and the trade-off, and or in economics the opportunity cost and the trade-offs are kind of considered to be similar, but there are just infinitesimal kind of differences between them. So let's just move to the definition of trade-off to understand it more better. Trade-off. So when a person trades off between two choices, what does he do exactly is that he just completely give up one choice to accept or to decide on or to choose the other one. Here, the definition I have written in very layman term to understand you guys completely is that one has to completely give up one choice to choose the alternative. Like completely, he has to like completely give up, and he has to choose the alternative. So these choices which an individual make or with an individual trades off, it completely depends on the behavior of an individual or a particular situation or a place. It can differ. Okay, so and more if you can, we can conclude the trade-off definition as choosing one thing over another. I have also written examples here. Two examples I have given is that you choose to buy a pizza over a study guide. In this example, we just consider that our parents given us a pocket money, and now we have two choices, either to buy a pizza out of it, or in the same price we are getting the study guide. Now it is the choice we have to make, it is the trade-off which we have to make, because we have the limited budget, right? So we can't have both in that particular budget, so we have to make the decision where we can buy only pizza or we can buy only a study guide. So it is a trade-off. If we buy a pizza and we have to give up on the study guide, we can't buy the study guide. Or the other way around, it can be we can buy a study guide and give up on pizza. And the second example is that you can choose to study maths over economics. So we students are always gambling about how to study and what subject to study first, or what subject to study, and how much time we are going to give to each subject, etc., before the examinations. So here we are making a trade-off in our daily lives. We are making a trade-offs, either this or either that. This is kind of a trade-off we actually make in our real lives. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, there are just an infinitesimal kind of differences between the opportunity cost and the trade-off. So I have mentioned some of over here in a very small column, is that OC is opportunity cost, and TO, it's a short form of trade-off I have written. So opportunity cost, okay, the opportunity cost can be calculated. As I said, it is a difference between the choices rejected and the choices accepted, and we have also seen that it is used for decision making. Okay, this is the formula, this kind of a formulas are of opportunity cost, but the trade-offs cannot be calculated. It cannot be calculated because it's kind of a utility measurement, right? We have to measure the utility, or okay, we will see all these things further. um, so, and the second one is doesn't consider losses. So in an opportunity cost, basically what happens is that there are two best alternatives. If we choose this, it's still the best. If we choose the other one, which we have to forego, it's still the best one. But in the trade-off, we have to give up on one thing, like completely give up on one thing, and we have to choose the other one. It is surely not directly related to the sacrifices, but it is kind of accepted by an individual that he has made a choice from these two things. Here in this particular point, we can consider one example where an individual has to make choice to go to a party and meet his friends, or go home and meet his parents and spend time with them. He has to choose the either, he has to choose some of one of it, right? So if he choose the alternative, like seeing his parents, he has to give up, he can't go to the party at the same time, right? So these are the kind of sacrifices he has to make, and he has to give up on one thing. The opportunity cost, here the opportunity cost has to be foregone. Okay, it is not on the behavior individuals, but it is because of the situation or a decision. It has to be this, it has made a decision to, you know, just go with that one alternative and forego the other one. Most of the time it does happen in you know, decision, economical decision making. And the trade-offs, decides to give up on one thing, like as we said, trade-off is like completely give up on one thing. You just can't have the other one. You just have to, you know, accept it and decide that okay, these are two alternatives and I have to choose only this one, or I have to choose only that one. So these are just the basic differences I have mentioned over here. But in economics, all we have to know is that opportunity cost and the trade-offs are kind of a similar, okay? And most important thing over here is that opportunity cost is it, the graphical representation of the opportunity cost. What production possibility curve is, because production possibility curve shows the opportunity cost, you know, as we seen in the last video of the production possibility curve, is that we have to let go some of the bananas to get more of the coconuts. Okay, so these kind of opportunity costs and trade-offs happens in an economy. So I hope you guys have understood it.